Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're exploring a product designed to completely transform your home internet experience, the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, also known as the Deco X20. This mesh Wi-Fi system promises a new level of home connectivity designed to eliminate weak Wi-Fi signals, boost speeds, and cover larger areas than traditional routers. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The TP-Link Deco X20 is a whole-home mesh Wi-Fi system that supports Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing faster, more reliable connections across your home. The system comes in a 3-pack, with each unit capable of covering up to 1,933 square feet, meaning the entire system can cover up to 5,800 square feet in total. That's a substantial area, ideal for larger homes or multi-level properties. With Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, the Deco X20 supports faster speeds, better efficiency, and the ability to handle more devices at once compared to older Wi-Fi standards. Specifically, it offers AX 1800 speeds, which translates to a combined 1,800 megabits per second. A key selling point here is its promise to eliminate dead zones and buffering. The Deco X20 is designed to ensure consistent, high-performance Wi-Fi throughout your entire space. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home, it claims to deliver a stable connection across your home without those frustrating drops in speed. Now, let's talk about connecting multiple devices. The Deco X20 can handle up to 150 devices at once. If you have a household filled with smartphones, tablets, laptops, smart TVs, and more, this system ensures that everyone gets reliable Wi-Fi, even if multiple devices are streaming or downloading simultaneously. Setting up the system is surprisingly simple. TP-Link has integrated their Deco app to guide you through the entire setup process. The app provides clear, visual instructions, making it easy for anyone to get the system up and running. You don't need to be a tech expert to configure it. Plus, the system works with Alexa, allowing you to control features like guest Wi-Fi with just a voice command. One of the standout features of the Deco X20 is its parental controls. With this, you can set up profiles for each family member, managing their internet access and usage. This feature is ideal for parents who want to limit screen time or ensure their kids are using the internet safely. The parental controls allow you to monitor activity and even schedule internet access, giving you peace of mind over your family's online habits. Each unit in the Deco X20 system is equipped with 2 gigabit Ethernet ports for a total of 6 ports across the 3-pack system. This allows for flexible setups, particularly if you prefer wired connections for things like gaming consoles or PCs. The system also supports wired Ethernet backhaul, which can improve performance by allowing units to communicate over a dedicated wired connection, rather than relying solely on Wi-Fi. Another feature to note is that the Deco X20 is compatible with any internet service provider that offers speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. This includes major ISPs like AT&T, Verizon, Xfinity, Spectrum, and others. However, it's important to note that you'll still need a modem, as the Deco X20 is a router system, not a modem itself. In terms of real-world testing, I put the Deco X20 through its paces in a multi-level home. Setting it up was straightforward thanks to the Deco app, and within minutes, I had a whole home network up and running. The system was able to cover every corner of the house, even the basement and top floor, which is often a challenge with traditional routers. Throughout the testing period, I found that the Deco X20 provided stable speeds, even in areas that used to have weak connections. Streaming in 4K, online gaming, and video conferencing were all seamless, with no noticeable drops in connection quality. But it's not all perfect. While the Deco X20 excels in performance, there are a couple of areas where it falls short. First, while the app is easy to use, it lacks some advanced features that power users might want. There's no built-in VPN, for instance, and while the system can handle up to 150 devices, it might struggle in extremely dense device environments, like offices with dozens of active connections. One of the biggest advantages of the Deco X20 is its value for money. For the price, you're getting a robust mesh system that offers solid performance and a ton of features, including Wi-Fi 6 and the ability to manage a large number of devices. When compared to other Wi-Fi 6 mesh systems, the Deco X20 stands out for its affordable price tag. It delivers high speeds, great coverage, and impressive performance, all without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, such as a built-in VPN or faster speeds above AX1800, there are other mesh systems on the market that may be worth considering, though they often come at a higher price point. Systems like the Netgear Orbi or the Eero Pro 6 may offer faster speeds and additional features, but they do come at a premium. Now, talking about build quality, the Deco X20 is solid, if not groundbreaking. The units have a sleek, modern design that blends in well with most home decor. They're not too bulky, so they won't be an eyesore sitting on a table or shelf. As far as longevity goes, TP-Link has a strong reputation for durable networking products, so you can expect the Deco X20 to last a good while if properly maintained. It's not clear yet how the product will perform long-term in terms of reliability, but based on TP-Link's track record, I'm confident this system will hold up over time. Customer support from TP-Link is known to be helpful, though I didn't have to reach out during my testing phase. The Deco app does a good job of troubleshooting and guiding you through setup, so unless you run into a major issue, you likely won't need to contact customer support. In conclusion, the TP-Link Deco X20 offers excellent performance, wide coverage, and an easy setup process. It's an excellent choice for large homes or families with lots of devices. While it may not have all the advanced features that some other systems offer, it certainly gets the job done at a competitive price. If you're looking for a solid, no-fuss Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that offers great value for your money, the Deco X20 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in the Deco X20, you can find more details in the comments below. Let us know if you've tried this product or if you have any questions about your own setup. Until next time, keep your Wi-Fi strong and your internet even stronger. Goodbye till next time.